Dena's Tuscany Experience Harvest Gala was just phenomenal. First of all, located inside this beautiful Tuscan building where we were wined and dined. The decor was meticulous. I mean, from the details of the plates, the candle lights, the decor, the florals, the glasses, even the drinks chosen for the evening was just so tasteful. We were serenaded by these two opera singers, which was so cool to see live. I mean, live opera concert inside this beautiful building in Tuscany. You could have not asked for a better evening start. After eating some delicious appetizers, it was time for me to take some photos of the guests of the evening. We just had such a great group for Dina's Tuscany experience, and it was my pleasure to capture this in film, aka digital, but to capture everyone having a good time and these portraits that they will cherish for a lifetime. Then after dinner, it was time to get our dancing on with this amazing band. We had such a great time dancing to well-known American tunes, Italian-inspired songs. We even did limbo and just had a great old time. It was almost as if time was stopped and we were just able to have fun. So grateful that Dina had brought us all together for the Tuscan sun, and should I say stars. And Suzette had a special message for her.
I knew nothing about you up until 4 days ago. Had no idea you were a cook, had a cookbook, or just this hot. I won't say it. But anyway, I just feel like this song is for you. And you inspire all of us. I'm from New York, so I do feel like I know you. But this is for you because you did it your way. Officially the last one.
This song is for Dena. marriage relationships that you'll go into for your whole lives, which is really the Italian way. Yes. And